Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of June 14th through the 20th. This is the second to last week in this planner, which feels crazy, but that's where we are. I'm using this kit, I think it's just called Summer by Lovely Planner. I think it's super cute and definitely summery, so perfect for this week. So this is my planned kit. Other than the kit, I pulled in these two washi tapes from Michaels to be the bottom washi. And then I have these two from Amazon. And actually these, I think this one's from Dollar Tree, and then these two from Amazon as well. So a few others that I can pull in. I think I'm going to put the yellow along the top. And then I'm going to use this skinny one once I put down the full boxes to kind of finish filling them out. So that's my plan. We'll see how that goes. But to get us started, I am going to stick down the washi along the top, the bottom washi, and the weekend banner. And then I'll come back so that we can do kind of all the interesting bits. All right, so this is the base kind of done. So now we can fill in some full boxes. So these are all Happy Planner sized. So like usually happens with Happy Planner stickers, they're a little bigger, obviously, than the standard vertical size, but we can definitely make it work. Okay, I feel like maybe these two and those two. I think I'm gonna stick this one in the middle. Let's go with that. Oh, these are actually like definitely too long. Okay, well that's great. I don't need to find another washi that works. Even better. These all ended up slightly too narrow. Maybe I'm gonna center them. I was afraid this was gonna happen. Because it seems like there's maybe some inconsistencies as I was cutting with the size of some of these. I don't know if I've used a Lovely Planner weekly kit before, but I think it's still gonna look cute, so I'm just gonna not worry about it. I'm gonna use this one. There are like so many kind of like bird-ish themed floaties here, but I'm just gonna put them all together. It's gonna be fine. This one's a unicorn, so not all bird themed, but definitely a big focus. I'm excited to have a summer kit since it's the start of summer. I think technically this is the first day of summer, I think. If I'm wrong, well, hopefully I will figure that out by the time you guys see this, because this week will have passed already, but whatever, it doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things. But definitely wanted to use kind of a summer themed kit since now it's officially summertime. Although, let's be honest, I think Memorial Day tends to define the start of summer in the US for most people. I'm just covering up the Father's Day because I'm going to fill that in differently. All right, so sidebar situation. I think I'm going to stick in a strip of washi just because I can up here at the top. And then I'm going to use 2 habit trackers. Ooh, I forgot to grab a sticker for one of them. Well, it's going to be fine. We will make it work with whatever I have already pulled. And I think that's going to be good enough. I'm going to use the hot pink and the navy because I feel like the lighter pink is probably the easiest to match to another kit. And I do like to save my leftovers for times when maybe a kit doesn't have a habit tracker, or I don't print off the page with the habit tracker, or in cases where I get grab bags, maybe it's just not, that page isn't included. Those kinds of things aren't okay, close enough. I'm gonna put down the pink one first because the full box is navy. So one of these is going to be for Instagram. So I'm going to use one of these Piper Paper Studio, Piper Paper Company stickers. Words all blend together today. I do have a discount code down below. If you're interested in using it, it gets you 20% off. And then also I get a little bit back, but no pressure, no obligation. It's totally up to you if you want to use it. I think I'm just going to use this one. I feel like it somehow goes even though it doesn't technically go. Do I make any sense? I don't really know. So there's that one. The other one is going to be for my cat's teeth brushing. So I'm going to try to see. There's like this one. What about this one? Sure. So that's tiny leftover, I think probably from Plannerology Studio. There we go. And then it's going to kind of clash, I think. Maybe I will solve the clashing problem by using this one instead. The yellows don't exactly match, but like once everything is together, I think it goes. So I'm going to use this washi instead so that we don't have to worry about that. And then I'm going to put down this meal planning box. I don't technically meal plan that much, but I do like to write down what we had for dinner, so maybe I can keep track of things that we like to eat, things that we often eat, and also see all the crap that I shouldn't be eating when that's applicable. All right, there we go. And then we have just like this little strip down here. So I'm going to use this really skinny washi from Amazon, and I'm just going to use it to cover up the little dots. There we go. That finishes that. Now we move on to the weekly plans. So these colors are harder to match than I expected, so I think I'm just going to use these Creative Cavern Studio Aspen working stickers to mark work. That's my like main plan for the week. Super fun, I know, but it's been busy. Got a lot going on, so that's what I'm doing. Also on Monday, my Plan With Me is going to go up. So I just want to mark that down. I guess I'll use these guys. Sure. These are also Piper Paper Company. I'm gonna leave that out for a second because I'm gonna need that on the other side as well. Otherwise, the first half this week, I don't think I have anything specific planned. And then for the second half, all I really have is work. I might do a work lunch one of these days. If that happens, I will fill it in. I will probably use like one of these meeting or appointment stickers. On Friday, I'm also going to have a second video go live. It'll be up by the time you guys see this. This is going to be my Bujo setup for the second half of 2021. So if you're interested in that, check that video out. And then the last thing I have is for Sunday. I want to mark down Father's Day. So this is a Happy Planner sticker book. I'm just going to pull out the Father's Day sticker. And then in my leftovers, I found these kind of like matching things. I think I'll use this one. Wasn't the one I planned to use, but I think I'm going to use this. I think this is leftover from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. It feels like the paper, but I don't know. I'm just going to put it in like that. There we go. So that's my super not exciting pre-planning all done. I think it's looking cute. So stick around for a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. Super cute, super summery. I love how it turned out. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit, which is from Lovely Planner. I have a few leftovers here that I'm going to throw in my leftover stash. Might use them in another spread. So if I don't mention it, came from there. This wide yellow washi came from Amazon. This is a Piper Paper Company icon. This one's from My Planner Life UK. This washi is from Michaels, and then this one down here is from Amazon. These are Michaels washies. This is Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio, more Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company. This is a leftover from My Planner Life UK. Ooh, that one might be from Plannerology Studio. Not sure. Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio, Happy Planner. This is a leftover flag from Sarah Elizabeth Prince, and everything else came from the kit. So I definitely tried to maximize the kit. I trimmed these checklists 1 heart shorter because they don't fit in the standard vertical size, and then I would just use a little extra one someplace else. So I love how it turned out. I think it's super cute, definitely fun and summery. So as always, like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know what kits you're using for summer and fall, since I'm doing my planning right now, getting ready for the new planner, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.